Oh, do you have a lovely shirt? Wow. How's my hapa? Oh, the other one. Oh. How are you both? How are you both? Huh? Did you miss mama? Did you miss mama? Hi. Hi, the new dress they wearing. Hi. The other one did not wear anything. She don't like to wear. But these two is. But I think you need to remove. You see, it's hard. It's hard that he walk. Oh, at the back side. No. Ang hirap gidnak, parang naipit yung ano. Oh, tinan mo, mapunta sa puwit niya, kailangan mo siyang hilo. Oh. Kailangan mo siyang hilain dito. Kasi, yan. Tsaka ito dito. Yan, kasi masikip, mag-aano sila. Diet daw. Are you in diet? Are you in diet? Okay, they're wearing their clothes. Wow, you like it? You like it? You like it? Huh? The other one don't like to wear anything. Hi, hi, Hapa. How are you? Yeah, come here, Hapa. Let's fix it. Yeah, need to fix that one. Okay. Oh, you need to make up this one so that it's not hard. Yeah, that one. Because it's going down, it's hard. Right, guys? Uh-oh. My hapa jalafa. What, your tail, meaning you like it?
Supo na po niya ulit ang tama.